Tina Service here with Lead Titan, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how we transformed our lead system from chaos into paying clients. Okay, so I realized early on that I didn't actually have a lead problem. You can see here I have a ton of leads coming in. The issue was our follow-up. So I thought to myself, what is it about these people? They put in this lead request, they want to get service, but they're not replying to us, right? So I was like, what's going on? So I thought, well, if it were me and I was a busy professional and I was at work, I definitely would not pick up the phone to answer a call, especially if it was something personal of mine. So I put in to place an automation that's called Speed to Lead. And what that system did is it took our the leads that came in and it instantly replied to them via text message. And what we did is we started asking these clients what it is that they were looking for. So for my maid service, Made for Time, we go through and we qualify them based on square footage. We ask them like what frequency they're looking for. We find out when they want to get started. So what we did is we put this what they call conditional logic automation in place. It looks a little bit like this. And we found that we were getting really good results from that. So people were engaging, and we actually took our close ratio from like 30% up to over, I think, 60%. So let me take a peek here at my conversion from this last week. So yeah, it looks like we did pretty close to 70% here. Maybe even higher than that. I guess my math skills aren't that great. About 83% close ratio just from those leads. So again, what we did is every time a lead came in, we would start to talk to them right away. So I knew they probably weren't going to pick up the phone. So we would send out these text messages. And when we got through basically getting through all the questions that took up most of the time on the phone, we would ask them if they wanted to pick up the phone to finish booking the appointment, or if they want us to send them a link, or if they would like to continue via SMS. So I can tell you that the range of what they wanted to do is different in each situation. However, if you can see here, we then put in a bot system. So what I realized is the conditional logic is great, but if the person doesn't answer the question the way that my conditional logic is set up, then sometimes it would throw off my conditional logic. So I decided to go ahead and put in place a bot. Again, it's not perfect, but it definitely works enough to get us $86,000 worth of closed business. Now, if you're looking at my numbers and you're in the maid service industry, my disclaimer is when we have people sign up, the value that we add to their contact card is what the average revenue is that my clients generate on an annual basis. So if they sign up for weekly or bi-weekly, they typically spend about $7,200 on service with us. So I put that $7,200 in as what our total value is. Now, granted, we're going to have some people fall off, etc. But the idea is you can see that the system actually works. So this was our AI receptionist. Our AI receptionist, we did win some here, but not as many as we did on the AI bot. So every company is different depending on where you're located, things like that. But in any event, the system works. So if you are struggling with chasing down your leads and you're tired of chasing leads, or you're like, what am I doing wrong? You can definitely use this system in your company. And if you want help to build this out, we definitely help our other clients do this system as well. And they are also seeing great results. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave me some comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And here's to your success. I hope you have a great day.